Today I'm going to teach you how to customize your WooCommerce Storefront shop page. This is essential if you want to control how your products are displayed, adjust layouts, and create a shopping experience that aligns with your brand's vision. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're on the page, log into your account if you haven't already done so. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the WordPress site where your WooCommerce store is installed. This step is crucial because you need access to your site's backend to make any customization changes. After logging in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. Now look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the main navigation menu. From this menu, click on Appearance. This section houses all the tools you need to control the visual aspects of your website. When you click on Appearance, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer, which is the interface where you can make real-time changes to your site's appearance and settings. Once the customizer opens, you'll be presented with several general pages and settings related to your site. Here you want to focus on WooCommerce, so go ahead and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you customize the storefront shop page and control how your products are presented to customers. Clicking on WooCommerce will reveal a variety of options tailored to your online store's functionality. Now from here, you can begin adjusting the product catalogs. You'll see settings that allow you to choose what the shop displays, such as featured products, categories, or specific collections. You can also set up the product sorting options, which determine how items are ordered on your shop page, whether by popularity, price, newness, or other criteria. These settings give you control over the customer's browsing experience and can significantly impact how easily they find what they're looking for. Next, you'll notice options to adjust the number of products per row and the number of rows per page. This is where you can fine-tune the layout of your shop. For example, if you want a more compact look, you can increase the products per row. If you prefer a more spacious, image-focused design, you might reduce that number. Similarly, adjusting rows per page helps you control how much scrolling customers need to do before reaching pagination. Now head back to the main WooCommerce settings page within the customizer and look for the product images section. Click on it to access image-specific settings. This is where you can set the image width and thumbnail width, which control how large or small your product images appear on the shop page. You'll also find options for cropping aspect ratio. This setting ensures that all your product images maintain a consistent shape and size, creating a polished and professional look across your entire catalog. And that's it. You've successfully customized your WooCommerce storefront shop page to better reflect your brand and improve the shopping experience for your customers. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.